So hello guys, welcome to Python lecture. In this video we will see how to create our user defined module. In my earlier lecture I have told you about module, that module is nothing but just a collection or a set of various functions, right? So before creating our own module, let me show you how to use modules in our Python program. So for using the module in our program, we must have to import the module in our program by using import keyword. Here I am importing the math module, which used for various mathematical operation. Now after importing the module, we have to write the module name and then after dot, and here you can see the entire list of the function which is defined under the math module. Here I am taking the square root function to get the square root of a number. So here you can see it gives the square root of the 36. Same as some more functions like for rounding up a number, nearest upcoming number, we use shield function. Let's take a number 500 and it's give 6. And same as for the downward nearest number, we use floor function, so it will give the nearest downward number. Okay, so for using a function of a module, we must have to write the module name before the function name. If we don't write the module name before the function, it will give an error. Let me show you. Here you can see that it gives an error. So we have to always write the module name before using the function. Okay, now it's time to create our own module. So for creating our module, we have to first create a new file. Under this new file, we have to define multiple functions which do some various operations. Let's suppose I'm taking some mathematical operation like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. Okay, so whenever we call this function, it executes the operations. Let's define the function addition with two arguments. So whenever we call this function, it gives the summation of two numbers. Same as like we will define some more functions like subtractions, multiplication. Okay, so let me just copy paste and do some quick changes in this, so for implementing the exact result. So whenever we call any function from this, it will execute as it is defined here. Okay, so after defining all the functions here, we have to save it. One thing must remember, that you have to save the file under the Python libraries, okay, where your Python file is saved. Here just take any name of your module. I am taking my math as my module name and just save it. Now just create a new file and write a program to import the module that we have created. Now let's take two number, num1 and num2, which takes user input to enter two number, and after getting number, we call the functions of my math dot addition, which gives the summation of the number, same as for the subtraction and multiplication, division. Here I want all the value of addition, subtraction, multiplication and division in my output. Okay, so here I am calling all the function with the arguments. Now let's run the program. Let's take two number, now 150 and another one is 25. So you can see that it gives output as it is I have defined in my module. So the addition is 25, difference is 25, product is 1250 and the division is 2, right? One thing I want to let you know, that for calling a function of a module, we have to write the module name before the function, right? Which is little much lengthy, right? Again and again the same name. So one thing we can do, that we can rename it as a short form by writing as whatever you want to give the name, and now replace it. Now let's run it and check it. See, it gives the output without any error, right? Hope now it's clear to all how to create your user defined module, okay, and how to import in your Python program. If anyone have any doubt, then comment below, I will help you out. So see you in the next lecture. Bye bye, have a good day.